speed kicks in, I'll go to the store for nothing and walk right by the house where you lived with Snow White. I wonder if she ever thought the storybook tiles on the roof were too much. But from the window it's not a bad show. If your favorite thing's Dianetics or stucco. The drugstores are open all night. The only real reason I moved to the east side. I love a good place to hide in plain sight. What if I told you I feel like I know you, but we never met? I hear everyone knows you're the way to my heart. Here's so many stories of you at the bar, most times alone and some looking your worst, but never not sweet to the trust funds and punishers. Man, I wish that I could say the same. I swear I'm not angry, that's just my face. A copycat killer with a chemical cut. Either I'm careless or I wanna get caught. Who I'm not. What if I told you I feel like I know you, but we never met? It's for the best. I can open my mouth and forget how to talk, 'cause even if I could, wouldn't know where to start, wouldn't know